And I told y'all that hairline was, oh! Yes, honey. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This graceful 5x5 ocean wave glueless undetectable lace closure wig is brought to you by Love Me Hair. But before we get into the details, let's see just how easy and quick it was to install this unit, and I'll be back with my final thoughts. Hello everyone, so let's get into this new unit. Like, do y'all see the gorgeousness right here? And it has a highlight on it, so yes, has that highlight to give it some extra to it. And I am so excited because this unit came out the box looking amazing. Like, do y'all see the hairline on this? I mean, the hairline on this looks absolutely amazing. I don't know if y'all see that hairline? That hairline looks amazing. So I am so excited to try this on. So let's put it on. Y'all, oh yes, honey, yes. Yes, honey, this is what I'm talking about. And y'all, if y'all don't know about that undetectable lace from Love Me, y'all better get into it, because oh my god, this looks amazing right out of the box. Do y'all? And I told y'all that hairline was, oh yes, honey, yes. Do y'all see this? Oh my god, this hairline, I ain't had nothing to it. Look at that hairline. Oh my god, I have not did nothing. This is right out of the box, okay? This looks amazing. All I need to do is just cut the lace, and it looks amazing. OMG. Like, honey, that's the video right there. Like, what else? That's the video. What else do I have to say? What else do I have to do? This looks so good. Oh my god, this looks so good. This looks okay. Calm down, okay? Cause y'all, this looks so good. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, first off, we're going to spray the front, cause I mean, it's really not no flyaways. It's really not. But I'm going to spray it in the front just a little bit to get if it's any flyaways, we're going to get that together. Like, y'all, do y'all see this hairline? Love Me has did it again, y'all. Love Me has did it again. Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna put this back, and it fits good on my head as well. It doesn't fit too tight or too loose on my head, and I'm wearing it glueless. I didn't tighten it at the around the bottom part. I didn't tighten that part. I'm just wearing the attached band, and it fits really good on my head. It ain't going nowhere, honey. It ain't going nowhere. It fits really good. I did not clip it in the front. I'm gonna clip it to make sure it's not gonna slide. But y'all, I can't get past how good this lace looks like. So now that we have that, I'm going to just tie this hair back. Make sure it stays out of the way. And we're just gonna cut the lace. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut the middle part first. Honey, this is so good. This is so good, y'all. Next, I'm gonna use my eyebrow razor to cut the rest of the lace.
A couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna know to be me. Let me give you this game for free. Know you see me on the come up, big girl with big dreams and big trips.
Yes, And you gotta be careful with cutting the lace on this unit, because this lace is so undetectable. Like you can barely see what you cutting. This lace is amazing. Y'all don't see no lace. I have not did no melting down or anything. This is so good. This is so good. I can't get enough. I cannot say enough how good. First of all, the lace is amazing. Do y'all can't see no lace? Y'all can't tell me y'all see no lace. No lace at all. Y'all don't believe me? Yes, honey. All right, y'all. So this is amazing. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Hands down, 100% amazing. And it's a 5x5. So how are we going to part this unit? As y'all can see, y'all can do the middle and it looks gorgeous. Okay, you can also go left or right, or you can do a curve part. So let's try and see which one we gonna do, honey. So let's try, because y'all know I am a right part. Oh, y'all see that? Oh, that's so good. So as y'all can see, y'all can wear it on either side, and the parting is amazing. Let's do a curve. So this is the curve parting. So you can do any part that you like on this unit. I think that I am going to wear her in the middle. I was liking it in the middle, and y'all know I'm a middle part girl. I love me a middle part. So we're gonna put it back in the middle, and let's get into these curls, honey. So I am going to wet it down, and I got this bottle off of Amazon. This is their Ocean Wave unit, and this is my first time wearing an Ocean Wave unit, and I can say that I am loving it. I'm loving it. I'm about to get so sick off these waves. I'm about to get seasick, honey, because these waves are waving. So next we're going to use my African Pride Moisture Miracle in the rose water and argan oil. We're going to use this curling mousse to help define these curls. And y'all already know what's about to come next. Y'all already know. Y'all should know. If you don't know, now you know. It is my K2 Natural Hair Dry Deny Moisture Seal Gel Oil. And honey, y'all already know I love this stuff. Now I can say one thing, that this unit does shed. This unit does shed, but y'all can expect that with curly unit. It does shed a little bit, but expect that with curly units. Now we're going to use my Demon brush, and we're just going to brush everything in so everything is all together nicely and evenly. Y'all see these curls? Oh my god, these are gorgeous. This is absolutely amazing, and that highlight is popping. Next we're going to diffuse the curls. We're going to use my handy dandy blow dryer with my diffuser on. We're just going to dry it a little bit and diffuse the curls at the same time.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over you think success is an option. I'm trying to get poppin' like woo, big moves. on a tweet and
y'all, this unit is amazing. So let's get into the details of this unit. This is a graceful blonde highlight ocean wave undetectable glueless 5x5 closure wig, and she is fabulous. She is everything that you need, honey. She looks good coming right out of the box. This is a 100% no skill beginner friendly wig that you must have in your wig rotation. So with this retro orange wave unit, you get so much personality with this blonde highlights that's going across the front. It is giving absolutely fabulousness. This unit has a 5x5 parting space, so you know you can do multiple parting. You can do the middle as I am doing. You can do left, right, or you can do a C part as well. This unit is low maintenance and I'm not getting any tangles at all. You do get some shedding, but that is to be expected with curly units. Like I said, this is a glueless no skill install. It is perfect for beginners. It is great. All you have to do is take it right out of the box, cut the lace, and you are fabulous. Now let's get into this lace, honey. This lace is absolutely amazing. It is so transparent. It's super fabulous, and it has a flawless melt if you would like to glue this down. I do not have no glue. This is 100% glueless. No glue at all. No glue at all, y'all. And it's absolutely amazing. It's giving scalp, baby. Scalp. So let me tell you a little bit more about this unit. This is 100% virgin human hair. I have her in 20 inches, and this unit can be worn for 1 year or more depending on how you care for this unit. The density on this unit is 180%. Like, it is full, honey. It is not giving no thinness anywhere. You're getting a lot of hair, but it doesn't feel heavy on your head. It comes in a natural black color with the blonde highlight, of course, and the hairline is pre-plucked. I did not do any plucking at all on this unit. It comes to you ready to wear. As soon as you take it out of the box, it is ready to wear. All you have to do is just cut the lace and pop her on if you choose to. This unit can be dyed, so if you want some more highlights, you do have the option to do that. It does come with 4 combs, 1 on each side, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the back. It comes with adjustable straps and an attached band to help you give you that glueless effect. The lace on this unit is Swiss lace, and y'all know it's undetectable. Love Me has like the best undetectable lace, honey. Hands down, 10 out of 10. Their undetectable lace is top notch. Like I said, the lace area is 5x5, so you have multiple ways to part this unit, whatever your heart desires. This unit is so soft. It is so soft. It's lightweight. Like, it looks like a lot of hair, but it's actually really lightweight. It doesn't feel like I have a lot of hair on my head, and it's flowy, it's elegant, it's classy, it's amazing unit to have. So you know, Love Me also sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over a wig cap, a band to help lay your edges down, silver hoop earrings, and they sent over a baby hair brush comb combo in a cute little Love Me hair bag. Thanks again to Love Me Hair for sponsoring this video, and if you are interested in this unit, head on over into my description box for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well, so you can save those coins. And if you are feeling this one, make sure to check out the next video to see what else Love Me Hair has to offer. Bye!
feelings grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want bigger rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gold cost. I'm trying to get these